Just conditioning yourself mentally.
Why price does this and why price does that.
Time and price.
Algorithmic principles.
Liquidity and inefficiency. Understanding that. And where is the most likely draw on liquidity, folks? That's all this is.
You got to be able to react to price. Your job is not to be able to predict the future. It is absolutely your job to predict the future.
When I talk about things that should happen in the marketplace, the primary function behind the accuracy is I'm only really focusing on specific times. Because those times
are algorithmic.
Take off the foo-foo, take off the cloud chase, take off the Wi-Fi, take off the money phone, take off the car loan, take off the flex and the white loss, take off the weird ass jewelry. I'ma take 10 steps, then I'm taking off top off. Take off the fabricate streams and the microwave memes. It's a real world outside. Take off your idols, take off the runway, take off the Cairo, take off the Sandro pay 5-day stay, take off for the meal, hella follow. Take off the fuck flag, take off perception, take off the cop with the iPad, take off the allure, take off the unsure, take off decisions I mad. Take off the fake D, take off the fake woke, take off the I'm broke, I care. Take off the gossip, take off the new logic, that if I'm rich, I'm real. Take off the shit mill, take off the dojo, take off the broken bag. Take all that designer bullshit off and what do you have?
You ugly as fuck.
You out of pocket.
2 ATMs, you stepping to what?
You out of pocket.
Who you think they talk about us?
You out of pocket.
Who you think they carry out for us?
The world in a panic, the women is stranded, the men on the run. The profits are panic, the law take advantage. The market is crashing, the industry wants niggas and bitches to sleep in the box while they making a mockery following us. This ain't monopoly, watching for love. This ain't monogamy, y'all getting fucked. Jumping on what the hell is that? I gotta relax when I feel. All my descendants, they come in my sleep and say I am too real. I'm done with the sensitive, taking it personal. Done with the black and the white, the wrong and the right. You hoping for change, and miracles. I know the feelings that came with burial cries. Take off your idols, take off the runway, take off the Cairo, take off the Sandro pay 5-day stay, take off for the meal, hella follow. Take off the fuck flag, take off perception, take off the cop with the iPad, take off the allure, take off the unsure, take off decisions I mad. Take off the fake D, take off the fake woke, take off the I'm broke, I care. Take off the gossip, take off the new logic, that if I'm rich, I'm real. Take off the shit mill, take off the dojo, take off the broken bag. Take all that designer bullshit off and what do you have?
You ugly as fuck.
Go to lunch in the Jewish community. I won't tell on the bros with immunity. Can't beat them, that shit ain't gon' ruin me. I'm the only one now let out do me. I got hoes by the crew tryna do me. My life like a movie, get hit in the water. Don't got put in no work, guys in order. This shit ain't got serious, the meetings come plural. I'm living by morals, we swiping and keeping no word. This floor, I'm young and I'm turned, I got bitches galore. My baby mom will cost 250, I'm splurging. Got 5 million cash just in case it get merging. My young niggas still get away, they be virgin. It happen like this, I ain't do it on purpose. I'm working my move, nigga, who from you working? I turned on my crew, bought a coupe off a version. I'm tired of these strippers, I'm going that nurses and doctors and dentists. You started, I finished, I told you be with it. My word is like gold in my city, I tell them to go, they gon' get it. I heard that you froze when they hit it. Putting these hoes in the business, you know that you trippin'. I tell them no, they gon' listen. Knowing these niggas be sweet and some bitches, I'm different. She tryna leave me, I'm low down. I hang with savages, don't bring your whole round. I'm going bougie, I'm switching my profile. All of my cars get delivered with no mouth. They think they do and we don't, I don't know how. Run through the low, call the plug, I need more pounds. I put on trip every day from the floor up. I'm getting sick of this shit, post some more up. Yeah, cullin' and shouting, my driving ain't solid. I keep it on point, make sure nobody follow us. I got a Glock with a shot that can stop a truck. I get the money, ain't way like an octopus. Go in hell, I'ma give all these choppers up. Team full of players, ain't nobody stopping us. We got a run, give a fuck, then we poppin' them. Been raising hell back in school, I was popular, yeah. All of my hoes get fake, she fake. Making my bitch too much, she lazy. I was thinking price too high and I raised it. Shit in my bank account getting outrageous. Niggas spend a lot, they had to switch up my phrase. And I'm sending out shots to the south, get flamed. Switch up my route to the house, had to change. Still with this shit, I forget that I'm straight. Tryna leave me, I'm low down. I ain't with savages, don't bring your whole round. I'm going bougie, I'm switching my profile. All of my cars get delivered with no mouth. They think they do and we don't, I don't know how. Let's do the low, call the plug, I need more pounds. I put on trip every day from the floor up. I'm getting sick of this shit, post some more. Yeah, you tryna leave me, I'm low down. I hang with savages, don't bring your whole round. I'm going bougie, I'm switching my profile. All of my cars get delivered with no mouth. They think they do and we don't, I don't know how. I do the low, got the plug, I need more pounds. I put on trip every day from the floor up. I'm getting sick of this shit, post some more. Yeah. I'm getting sick of this shit, post some more. I put on trip every day from the floor up. I'm getting sick of this shit, post some more. I put on trip every day.
Tell me if you still love it. It's 5 a.m. and I'm drunk right now. Tell me, can we still fuck? 101, I'm in the zone right now. Tell me, am I still? Telling you just how I feel right now. You say it's just the drugs, and I know. I lied to you way before I had you right this moment. Then again, I can be drunk. Baby, I don't wanna sound righteous. I got 20 bitches sucking like license. I just any money roll a dice since I picked she ain't even really my type, and out here she been losing herself to the night shift. She been losing herself, and I get it. Oh yeah, I get it. Yeah, and you been fighting for your shot, and you been searching for your spot. Girl, I feel it. Yeah, girl, I feel it. Yeah. Oh, you think you got your groove, but you want someone like you. Tell me if you still up. It's 5 a.m. and I'm drunk right now. Tell me, can we still fuck? 101, I'm in the zone right now. Tell me, am I still? Telling you just how I feel right now. You say it's just the drugs, and I know. I lied to you way before. How they feeling? Before I had you right this moment. Feeling like some money tonight. And again, I can be drunk. Yeah. I know, mommy, I know. It's 2 a.m., no stress. At 3, that bullshit kick in. At 30, you feel your best. I turn my whole spot to crucial. It's crucial the way I left. But there's it's like a law. Love would just be the best. I'm looking at her and her started turning to you. Now you starting to fuck up my mind. Is it you, is it her? We probably trapped in the birds. At 29, that's my address in case you ain't heard. It's better upstairs, it's elite. I don't make it squeak, make it squeak. I make this shit beat. Whatever teeth when I feast. They doing this slide through the streets. It takes a finesse, especially this cabaret cheap. Engine make it out the creek. Just leave the gate open. Notice I do I'm a creep. Are you about it to rail? And now it gets down to the sleep. And are you obsessed by yourself? A minute from there, is this a room for me? Baby, do tell. Tell me if you still love. It's 5 a.m. and I'm drunk right now. Tell me, can we still fuck? 101, I'm in the zone right now. Tell me, am I still? Telling you just how I feel right now. You say it's just the drugs, and I know. I lied to you